The diagnostic trouble codes P0455, P0456, and P0457 are related to a vehicle's evaporative emission control system, which prevents fuel vapors from escaping the fuel tank into the atmosphere. P0455 indicates a large leak detected in the evap system, often caused by issues such as a loose or damaged gas cap, cracked hoses, or a faulty purge valve. P0456 refers to a very small evap leak, meaning the system has detected a minor vapor leak that may be harder to locate, such as tiny cracks in lines or seals. P0457 specifically signals an evap system leak due to a loose or missing fuel cap, making the gas cap the first component to check when this code appears. Here are one of the most practical solutions to fix these error code. The gas cap. Open your gas tank and inspect the cap's condition. Spray clean the area with a WD-40 cleaner. Check if the gas cap is dirty and use the cleaner to wipe it down. Otherwise, you may need to replace it with a correct model gas cap. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.